For this intermediate topic, we're going to be talking about function allocation diagrams. Now, what we mean by function allocation diagrams, I'll just go into this model down here called training demo. And as you can see, this model can get fairly busy, especially, for example, if you have, if we look at this model right here, and if we, for example, you might have other objects attached to it. Might have Gmail, maybe something is sent over Gmail. There might be other documents. As you can see, this starts to get fairly busy and quite messy. So if you have a model where there's a lot of detail, and this is for more advanced modeling where you have a lot of information, we want to be able to create an assignment here, a function allocation diagram, which all it means is you would click on it, you'd create it right here for assignments. So I would click on Review Invoice, create an assignment, create assignment, model type. Here you would click and say function allocation diagram. Now the reason that it's not coming up here is because I've already created it, but usually it would come up here and it would just say FAD or function allocation diagram. Now this is the type of model that you use, that I would click on it, and as you can see right here, it's already here. And what you do is when I click on this button, that'll take me to this function allocation diagram, and up here you can see it. And what you do is, here is where you create all the attachments. So from here you can add, say we can just copy this. I'm not going to do it for all of these, but basically you can add all the detail that's surrounding this process step. And then what you can do is you can just delete the ones here. And that creates a very clean look to it. Now if I want to see the details, I would click on it and it'll take me, and it's not showing up only because I haven't saved it, but it'll take me to it and it'll have all of the documents attached to it. You should have the role attached to it as well, and so on. So it'll look like this, plus the role should be attached. So you'll get all of the details. Now, some of the benefit of this is that it cleans up these processes, but one of the negatives is that if you want to get into the level of detail, you actually have to click on it, and then it'll take you to this document. So when you're trying to tell a story, you don't always want to do this because you don't want to be moving from every other step for you to have a function allocation diagram. This is meant for processes that are very detailed, where there's a lot of information, a lot of steps, and you just need the ability to clean it up and capture the information without losing it.